Hello friends, welcome back to Saujany's English class. And in today's class we are going to learn about one writing element that is a part of formal letters, letter of inquiry. That is what we are going to learn about in today's class. Let's get started. This is our topic of the day, letter of inquiry. Letter of inquiry, or it is also called as inquiry, is written to inquire or find out about something. Inquiring is nothing but finding out something. It is written to seek details about some product you want to buy, or some program you want to join, or some place you want to go, etc. You want to buy a product, or whenever you want to join some program, or whenever you want to go to some place, you need some details. Okay, so to seek the details, we write letter of inquiry or inquiry to the concerned persons. Let us look at the format of this letter of inquiry. As we all know, letter of inquiry comes under formal letter. So it takes a format of formal letter. It starts with sender's address, followed by date, long date, followed by receiver's address, also called as to address, followed by salutation. Salutation is nothing but dear sir or ma'am, like that, okay? Subject, and then main body consists of introduction, development, and conclusion, followed by a thanking note, followed by subscription. Subscription is also called as complimentary close. It is nothing but yours sincerely, yours faithfully, that one. Followed by name of the sender. Okay, as per the given question, you are supposed to write the names here. In the receiver's address, you are not going to write any name. In sender's address, you are not going to write any names. Okay, designation you can write, but not names. And this is the structure of letter of inquiry, like any other formal letter. Let us look at some common introductory phrases. We have come to know about you from a newspaper advertisement, from a friend, from a colleague, like that sort of information you will give here. We are interested in buying a product from you, joining the course that is offered by you, and we are interested in the discounts that you are giving to buy your product and all. We are looking for a supplier of such a kind of product, etc. Some common phrases of request are: we would appreciate it if you could do the needful as early as possible. Could you please send us a prospectus or a brochure? In addition, we would like to receive some discount or concession. Furthermore, we are interested to know some more details. If you are seeking, you are going to ask like this: could you let us know about your price, about the dates, about the frequency of the course that we need to attend? All those information you seek with the help of these common introductory phrases. And then come to enclosures. I have enclosed the document. Whenever that person is seeking some sort of documents from you, you are supposed to send some document, then you do it as a form of enclosure. I have enclosed the document. You will mention it in the given letter. A self-addressed, duly stamped envelope. In case of, if you are looking for any job, any post to work or something like that, you're going to enclose a self-addressed, duly stamped envelope, because the other person may or may not have time and it may cause to delay in replying to you. That's why you are going to include your own self-addressed, duly stamped envelope in the enclosures. Please find the enclosed. Whatever is needed, like any sort of information or any certificates or that sort of things from you, you are going to enclose it in the letter. And look at some concluding phrases. We look forward to hearing from you at your earliest convenience. If you answer, if you respond, then only I will be able to decide on the matters. We would be grateful for an early reply. Grateful is nothing but being thankful. We look forward to doing business with you. That is also most common phrase. Let us look at a sample letter, solved example. Your friend Roshan Singh, a brilliant student who has completed his grade 10 recently from number 34 Phase B, Faridabad, a small town in Haryana where many facilities are not available. He has seen an advertisement about a coaching center for IIT JEE. Requested you to find out the details. Write a letter on behalf of him to the director, Star Coaching Center, A12, Patil Nagar, Ambala, seeking details of the coaching program. So this is your question. See, here there are some important points to be noted. First thing is, on behalf of him, you are going to write the letter. So your name is Roshan Singh in this, okay? And he has completed his grade 10. He is from, this is the from address given, okay? He has seen an advertisement about a coaching center for IIT JEE. These are the important points in the question. You have to note down all the important points in the question. Important points in the sense which give us some information based on which we are going to write our letter. We will write a letter to find out the details, okay? So write a letter on behalf of him to, this is the receiver's address, the director, Star Coaching Center, A12, Patil Nagar, Ambala, seeking details of the coaching program. So this is the information that we get from this question. Let us see how to write a letter. And this is the information given in the letter, 34 Phase B, Faridabad, Haryana. This is nothing but our sender's address, okay? Followed by long date, 4th June 2020. Long date, you are supposed to write long date only in all sorts of formal writing. Don't write 4-6-2020 or 4/6/, no, don't go for that. Always write long date, 4th June 2020. This is our date, and then comes the receiver's address, the director, Star Coaching Center, A12, Patil Nagar, Ambala. That is what is given in the question. Okay, this is receiver's address, followed by dear sir. What is this? Salutation. Okay, dear sir, dear ma'am, all these are salutations. And then subject, inquiry about IIT JEE coaching program. Subject you can derive from the given question very easily. And don't exceed more than a line in subject. Don't go for lengthy sentences in subject. And this is the information that we have got from the question itself. We haven't written anything on our own over here because everything is included in the question. Sometimes what happens is you may get questions where there is very limited sort of information. Then you can write, you can create your own from address, to address and all, okay? Rest all, date and all, you are supposed to write long date and dear sir over here, okay? Don't write dear sir or ma'am, whomsoever concerned. Even that is also quite redundant. Nobody writes like this. And then comes the subject, only a single liner, okay? Look at the body of the letter, how to develop. This is the intro part of the letter. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India, dated 31st May 2020. About IIT JEE coaching classes. I have appeared to my grade 10 exam from CBSE and awaiting my result. So here, if you observe, here we have written certain things. Advertisement is given in the question. Okay, where has he seen that advertisement? We have included over here. We have created something, okay? Advertisement in the Times of India. And date also we have created. About JEE IIT, that is given in the question itself. And this information is also there. I have appeared to my grade 10. This information is also here in the question. We have included some other extra information about the board, CBSE, and awaiting my result. Even this also we have written on our own because we can derive that sort of information from the question itself. He has appeared for the board exam and he is awaiting his result, obviously. Okay. So these are the things that we have done. in the intro part based on the given question. And then look at this development part. I request you to kindly let me know about the procedure of applying for the screening test and its date. I would also like to know about the duration of the coaching program and the number of classes I have to attend per week. So here we have done some improvements to the given information. See, this much at least we have to create, because letter writing is for 8 marks to you and you have to do at least this much. You have to be a little bit creative. You need not write any short stories or something like that in the letter, but thoda bahut little bit of information you have to add, of course. I request you to kindly let me know. See here, some of you make a mistake. I kindly request you, you write. Okay, that is a mistake. You should not be kind enough to request them. You request for their kindness. Okay, I request you to kindly let me know about the, what do you want to know? Details is given in the question. What sort of details you want to know? Procedure of applying for the screening test. See, whenever you want to join any coaching center, they conduct a screening test. That is quite a common sense point, right? So that's what you have included over here. Screening test and its date. Okay. I would also like to know, look at these phrases. I have given some phrases in the beginning of this lesson. Please try to by heart those phrases, because they are going to help you a lot. Any sort of inquiry letter, you can use those phrases. Okay, learn them by heart. I would also like to know about the duration of the coaching program. How many days does it last? And the number of classes I have to attend per week. So this sort of details you want, you have included it in the development part of the letter. And then, could you please send me the fee structure along with the prospectus as early as possible? It looks like a question. It's a sort of imperative sentence. Okay. Looking forward to your quick response. So here, what have you done? Could you please send me the fee structure? This is also one of the details. Whenever you want to join any program, won't you want to know about its fee structure and all? Along with the prospectus. Prospectus is nothing but a brochure sort of thing about that particular institute. Okay. When was it started, by whom it was found, and all those information will be in the prospectus. As early as possible. Looking forward, even this is also a set phrase, looking forward to your quick response, so that I can decide on whether to join your institute or some other institute. Okay, you have to be quick enough in responding to my letter. And then, thanking you, sir. One thank you note we have to write. Thanking you, sir, followed by subscription. That is complimentary close we call. Okay, yours faithfully. If you observe carefully, yours doesn't have apostrophe s. It should not have apostrophe s. Okay, please. Yours faithfully. And then what is your name as per this question? Roshan Singh. Okay, you are writing this letter on behalf of your friend, that is Roshan Singh. Okay, so yours faithfully, Roshan Singh. See, all those details, you are not supposed to miss out any details from the given question. Everything should be included. Whatever is given in the question, you are supposed to include in your body of the letter. Okay. Other than that, you have to add some more to gain more marks. Okay. This particular paragraph, if you observe the second one, here you have done a little bit from your side. Only 2 to 3 sentences you have added to the given information in the question. You have to do at least this much. Okay. To score at least 7 marks on 8, you can score if you remember these points and develop your letter like this. It is quite simple. There is nothing difficult about it. That is a solved example. Now it is practice time for you. Look at the given question. You are planning a trip to Ooty with your family, consisting of 10 members. You have gone through the brochure and found out that Hotel Shine is offering a good discount and local touring facilities to its inmates. Write a letter to the manager, Hotel Shine, Ooty, to find out more details. You are Sam or Samantha, a resident of number 214 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. So this is our question. So what is the information that we get out of this question? Let us check once. A trip to Ooty with your family of 10 members. This helps you in asking for discount. Okay. More number of people, huge discount. And you have gone through the brochure and found out that Hotel Shine is offering a good discount and local touring facilities to its inmates. Now write a letter to the manager, Hotel Shine, Ooty, to find out more details. What sort of details you want to seek before going to Ooty? You are going to create that particular part of that one paragraph on your own, and you have to write the letter. Rest of the things are in the letter itself. To address is there, from address is there, intro you can derive and write, subject you can derive and write. Only part is one paragraph, that is development paragraph, you have to write on your own to score full marks. And sender's address is you are Sam or Samantha, a resident of 214 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Okay. So 214 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi is our sender's address, followed by a date, long date you are going to write, followed by receiver's address, the manager, Hotel Shine, Ooty. Okay. Followed by salutation, dear sir, followed by subject. What is the subject? You want to know about the facilities that it can offer to you. Okay, that forms the subject of this letter. Intro part. Okay, this part you can write as intro. I am planning a trip to Ooty with my family. My family has 10 members. Like that, you can start, give the introduction, followed by a good development paragraph. Only there you have to put your efforts a little bit. Rest of the things are in the given question itself. Okay. Wish you all the best, dears. So that is about the letter of inquiry. Hope you have understood the format and writing style of it. And I have included so many phrases in this so that you can make use of them in any sort of letter of inquiry. So meet you soon with another interesting lesson, guys. Bye for now.